Hola, ¿cómo estás? I hope you all are doing very well. Yes, I'm having a new haircut. How it's looking? Comment below how it's looking. And apart from this, apart from passion of languages, I run a business also. That's why I need to have a professional look. That's why I clean shave. So let's move on in our next lesson. When asking how are you in Spanish, how are you? There are two possibilities. There are two possibilities depending on the degree of formality that being used. If the person is much older than you or the position of authority, then you will say ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? If the person is much older than you or the position of authority. For friends or family or children or any informal touch, you will say ¿Cómo estás? And S is added to the last. ¿Cómo estás? That is informal how are you. In this phase, of course, we will stick to the informal, and for formal we will be talking about later on. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? So how do you greet a friend? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Now the good morning in Spanish is buenos días. Good morning, buenos días. Literally meaning good day or good days. For some reason, it's pluralized in Spanish. It's pluralized in Spanish for some reason. Now suppose you are meeting a friend, and how do you ask? Hello, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Now how do you ask? Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? And to reply very well, thank you. Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. Gracias for watching the course. I hope you understand this.